Eddie Ghabour is joining us this morning. All right, Eddie, does backing up the banks make any difference to your bearish outlook for stocks?
It does not. Look, the fact that Yellen has to even come out and say that there's a potential to need to backstop more banks, in my opinion, gives people less confidence in these smaller banks. And so we have a banking crisis, unfortunately. And look, this goes well beyond the banks, right? Think about the financial institutions that aren't backed by FDIC, the shadow banking that have these same types of high-risk loans that are out there. They're going to start to see defaults there, and there won't be any government backing. Look, at the end of the day, the government can't backstop every business and every bank and every depositor, right? This is a function of poor monetary policy and loose and zero interest rates for over a decade. And we just started this banking crisis a couple of weeks ago. Just because Yellen comes up and speaks about it doesn't mean it's going to reverse itself overnight. So unfortunately, I don't think there's anything that they can do to stop this cycle.
Do you see?
The good news is I think we're going to hit a bottom this summer. But I think this last phase of the bear market, as I've told your viewers and our clients coming into this year, is going to be the most painful.
Okay,
I
hold on
think
a
we
second.
have a potential
I've got to regroup here.
for
Hold on
the next leg down where we're not going to get that bounce that people have been accustomed to seeing.
I want to wrap this all together. You see an immediate drop in the stock market, and it bottoms in June, and then June is your buying point. That's how you're laying it out, correct?
I believe we will hit, I can't say exact low in June, but I think by June we will be at new lows, and we will start buying if that happens in June. I think we got June, July, August. We have a tremendous amount of cash, so we're going to dollar cost average in and get at really low prices, in our opinion. Look, on top of this banking crisis, we have a debt ceiling debate that now has anyone's focus because everyone's worried about the bank. In 2011, we had the same issue, and the S&P dropped by approximately 18%. So you put a debt ceiling debate on top of a banking crisis, on top of the economy going in the wrong direction, and I don't see how anyone can look at that objectively and be bullish.
Okay, Eddie Ghabour, we hear you. Thanks so much for joining us. I know we'll see you again. All right.
Thank you.
All right.